What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be putting in my 3-piece AR-44s into this one that has the 1-piece AR-44s, but I will only be putting in one piece to this one and keeping the single rear piece AR-44 axle in the rear, and putting a 3-piece up front. Other than that, nothing's really changed except I put a Savox servo in it. Give me a little more power until I can get a G14 servo for this. I hope that's very soon because I'm very, very lacking in the servo department. Anything else that's changed so far? When I do get a G14, I will be getting a high altitude RC forward motor mount to put in here to get that motor as far forward as possible. I also have a question for you guys. Should I go... So I'm shooting for an all-out class for right now until I can get a front and rear bumper. Should I go dig or rear steer on this one? Let me know in the comments below what you think I should do. What else? I will also be getting stuff for this one here soon. I will also be switching back to CMS instead of servo and axle. One other thing I will be doing to both of them is that forward motor mount, because I will be getting another Vanquish 3-gear transmission for this one, or building one up, I guess I should say. Maybe finding, I don't know yet. Lots to come for the future. This one will eventually be getting Capra axles too. I know, big stuff. Capra axles with a 3-gear and a 3600 kV Kratos motor from Three Brothers, and we'll be getting a G14 servo in the front and a G11 in the rear. I will be doing Vanquish Capra axles too, just for durability's sake. One other thing I will be doing to this one is maybe wheels and tires here soon. So I may be swapping back these Super Swampers and getting Hyraxes or OG KLRs. Voodoo KLRs or Proline Hyraxes. One other thing is I hope to be getting the shock mod from In the Works and a front bumper from In the Works. I definitely need those two things, and a servo. What else? That's it. I'll get back to you when I am building these. I will give you a overlaps. Or not overlaps, you know what I mean. Sorry about that. I meant time lapse, sorry, not overtime. 1 second, I'll get right back. What's up, YouTube? Finally got it done. Still searching for some rear shock cups. Got the front about 99% done on my steel one. Just need to finish up the steering. I got it installed on my other one. Can't wait to try it out. That will be in the next video. Maybe. I also might be going to a comp here this weekend to test this one out. And until I can get some Capra axles and a 2-low for this one, or both, 2 lows for both, this one will be getting a Stealth X transmission from Element RC. What else? Both will be getting In the Works RC bumpers. This one will be getting In the Works RC high clearance links front and rear. What else? That should be it. I hope. Please like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time.